Hi guys, today I'm just going to do a really quick video. This is more of an update video essentially, but I just thought I'd quickly just quick show you what I got a couple of weeks ago. I'm just showing you this quick overview for those who are interested. The reason why I'm showing it, it's sort of, again, this video is also like an update, and essentially this is going to be a part of the kit that I'm putting together. I'm putting together quite a few kits at the minute. But this is just a one kit that I'm doing. This is a big clue, obviously. Those who know, this is the Meal Combat Individual or MCI ration. Um, some troops, US troops, obviously call these the CRADs, even though they're MCIs. But anyway, this is just a quick sort of an update video as well. But I'm just putting together a couple of kits, and this is going to be one of my part of the kit that I'll be putting together, and hopefully maybe the end of this month, I'll be doing a video of the whole kit. I'll do a video with other bits of the kit in the meantime, but obviously this is sort of a clue as to what kit I'm doing. Anyway, I thought I'd just quickly go over it. This is the MCI Meal Combat Individual. We were designed to replace the C rations, even though these were called the C rations. Well, after these replaced them. These, I believe, were produced from 1956 or 58, and they were stopped producing them in 1980 when they would replace them with the MRE as we know them today, which would come in a brown plastic, pretty much like thick bag, in all brown, and they would have that style of packaging well into the 80s, 90s, and very early late 90s. Late 90s, they went to the tan coloured where you could actually read the text on it a lot clearer. But yeah, I'm planning to get one of them as well, hopefully in the future. But I recently got this not too long ago, and I've been looking to get one. And this is really mint. I'll show you in a second, but all the contents are there, and it's in very, very good condition, which I'm very happy. And the price I paid, I'm very happy with it. Now, I am planning on getting another box, either like another complete box like this, and also a spare box, just the box itself, because I actually do plan on in the near future, which I will be doing a series of videos of, is reproducing these rations, which are actually fairly easy to make, really. Because I actually found a couple of cans that are very similar in dimension and size and design, which is very handy. There's one tin that I won't be able to get that I don't think they produce. I'll show you that in a second, but I have a few ways around it, and even found somewhere that sells the spoon that come in these rations. So I'll be able to reproduce them with all modern, food essentially that's actually usable for events, and anyone else that's events, it'll be a useful guide. But this is just a quick video and sort of more of an update. So like I said, this is just a small bit of the kit that I'll be part of the kit that I'm putting together fairly soon. But yeah, like I said, I will be continuing to do one video a week for now, and then hopefully next month I will plan on doing 2 videos a week. So yeah, anyway, I'm just going to get into it. So again, this is the Meal Combat Individual. See, this one is spaghetti with beef chunks and sauce, B2 unit. Nothing much to say. It's just a box. It's just a cardboard box essentially. My hand's gone a bit numb. So yeah, it's just a box. Nothing much to say about it. And obviously, when you open it up, immediately you'll see the accessory pack on top. Just try and as you can see there. So we have the spoon. Again, I found surprisingly someone that produces these very similar. However, they're in all white. This is sort of slightly translucent. I don't know how well you're going to see that on the camera. I have the light directly above me, so again, I don't know how well you see it, but this is slightly translucent, slightly opaque, I guess you could say. Spoon, again, obvious reasons what that's for. The accessory pack. This is a post 72, 73. Because in 72, 73 they got rid of the cigarettes. You see accessory packs, and hopefully you can just about see that. It says, I'll just show you and I'll read it off. Yeah, it just says on it, matches, chewing gum, toilet paper, coffee, instant cream, substitute, sugar and salt. Cadillac products. I don't know if you're not going to be able to see that on this slide, but it says there Cadillac products. You're not going to see that in the slide, unfortunately. And the interesting part is the tins themselves. Now, I'll go over which tins I found that are similar to some of these tins, which is very helpful for later in reproducing these. But first off, it's the jam apricot tin. Now, this is the tin that I'm struggling. I don't think anyone reproduces these today, at least this dimension and size. So, but I have a way around that. But anyway, it's just the tin. Just to say again, they're all mint, no damage, nothing, no swelling, no bulging. On the side, this side, I guess, the B2 with the crackers, of course. See there. This is 80 dated, so very late production. Again, the tin is absolutely mint. As you can see, no rusting whatsoever, which is very rare. Well, not rare, but fairly uncommon considering the age of this. Even though this is an 80 produced one, other units, obviously, these were produced from 658 till 1908. But even though this is a tin, my point is other tins older usually do bulge. Even rations I have British rations, general GS rations, 24-hour rations that are 80 dated, and they are in not as mint condition as this, but I believe the guy I got it from had a big like he had a crate of a set of rations and he kept them in good storage, and I'm glad he did because you can see they're mint. Now there's only one or two slight I don't know what the word is, but it's very surface. I mean, I could easily treat that if I wanted to. But that is very, very, very mild. It's not even, you could probably wipe that off with some sort of abrasive or just, you could easily treat that, which I may do. But it's very, very mild. It's nothing serious to worry about. Again, tins aren't compromised really as such. See there? This is the cinnamon nut roll. Again, other than the slight coloration on the sides, absolutely mint. Again, no what's the word, no compromise as such. Move this all a little bit, and then on the left hand side we have the meal itself. So this is the only tin that's again very mild. I might treat that at some point. Just a bit of dust on the top. Again, absolutely fine. Very happy with these again. See here, I believe that's 71, I believe. See, this is spaghetti with beef chunks and sauce. Again, nothing much else to say. And there's the insert for the box. It would, I believe, inside they would fold one like that. Obviously, but I just left it to how it was. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the box will be fairly easy to produce, but I plan on just using a spare original that I can find and just keep reusing the box because unless I find a company that produces a good stencil like this, that's the only thing. Obviously, if I do find a company that can produce the text and stencil like that, I can just make the boxes obviously very easily. But essentially, yeah, that's the Ration overall, the accessory pack and so forth. I believe in the when the troops would get these in the big crate box of them with all of them stacked inside, there'd be a couple of packets separate that have the P37, P38 tin opener. But I'm not entirely sure, but I'm sure that that's how I've seen pictures of originals in the crates and so forth when they arrive. But again, anyway, I'm not going to eat this. Obviously, I bought this for display, and I'm very, very happy with this. I've again wanted one. This is very mint, and for the price, I'm very happy, and I'm really glad I finally found one, especially here in the UK. The again, a later date I will be reproducing these again. I found a tin that's sort of slightly taller than this. This is the B2 Cracket, but again, you can see this is sort of similar height-ish. In fact, it's the tin is actually slightly more this sort of height because a modern tin, I haven't got one to hand, but it's slightly taller than this. But for what I need it for the purpose that I need, again, it's mainly just to reproduce um, for either display or even I plan on making them so they're even usable, so you could eat them at events if you wanted to use them for reenactment, living history events, or just to show the public or whatever. Then it's a good way of doing it without obviously having to eat rancid old food. Again, if you want to watch people eat them, just obviously go to the one and only Steve MRE 1989. You all know who I'm on about. He's doing videos on this and obviously hundreds and hundreds of other rations from other nations. But yeah, just thought I'd do a very quick video. Hopefully found it somewhat interesting. Again, I plan on this is again all for a kit that I'm putting together. In fact, I can use it for both kits, interestingly, which is even better. But I won't say what it is. Um, you can guess. All I say, obviously, it's American. Um, so I'll let you guess. But yeah, if you're interested, there's two American kits I'm putting together as well as another at the minute. But as I say, that's it for this video. Again, I will be doing another video, uh, recording it somewhat soon. I also plan on doing another video on a ration, but it's not a very common ration. I don't plan on just doing rations, but I just do this. This is more of an update. But the other ration that I'll review is more for reenacting purposes and those interested, because it's not um, much known about the other ration, which I'll do in another video. But anyway, I'm going to start rambling. I hope you have a good rest of your week and stay safe.